Hey, what's up everybody? This is the Vaper Expo UK video, and like my Germany video, it's gonna be just a little all over the place. I need to either realize that I am not any sort of travel vlogger type of person, or when I go to one of these events, I need to fully commit to having like a cohesive vlog where I shoot what I intend to and speak when I intend to, because otherwise we just end up with what we ended up with. It's pretty fun though. It gives you a little taste of the event. There's, you know, they say that this event is a lot of pods and a lot of disposables. And yeah, look, there's a lot of pods and a lot of disposables there, but there was this area called the OHM ZONE that had a lot of really cool stuff. It wasn't quite like the Modders Gallery at Hall of Vape, but it was its own kind of, you know, unique Modders Gallery-ish area. I actually thought this Vaper Expo was really fun. I had a really great time, hung out with a lot of really great people, and saw a lot of really cool stuff, and actually brought home a lot of really cool stuff. So yeah, there is a lot of pods and disposables there, but after hearing how negatively some people talk about this show, it was kind of refreshing to have such a good time and see such a wide selection of vape stuff. Anyway, here it is. Alright, mother truckers, it's just me. Kent is gone. I'm alone in Birmingham, and we're going to Vaper Expo UK. Everyone says that this is Disposable Fest 1999, so I'll be the judge of that. You guys remember Nick Bassett, Daily Vape TV? He gave me a beer and I'm drinking it. It's so loud. You can't hear anything. It's so loud.
Yeah, it is.
That's it. We're done. It's over. Goodbye. That's it.
Yep.
How was it?
It was great. Yeah, it was great.
How did it compare to last year?
It's better.
Better.
They're building back better.
Building back better, just like Joe Biden. Joe Biden.
It's an improvement on October. October's an improvement on May. So if we can keep going this way,
yeah,
I think we might build to a level somewhat
better.
Missed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I'll try to come back in October. That would be sick. I would love to.
It's always a pleasure to come to this great country.
It really is. I've been away from the UK for way too long. And I was bummed to not see Mike Vapes here.
Yeah, where's Mike Vapes?
I thought for sure. I was like, Mike Vapes is going to be there. Nope. No, damn it. Maybe next time. Maybe in October we can get Mike out.
Yeah.
That would be sick.
That'd be great.
Anyway, hey, thanks for watching Vaper Expo UK. Fucking peace out.
Cheers, dickheads.